Today, we proved something we once thought would be impossible, a subway in Metro Manila. The 3 stations in BGC are projected to serve no less than 200,000 passengers per day in its opening year. The travel time from Valenzuela to BGC will be reduced from 1.5 hours to just 29 minutes. This means workers arriving on time, students getting home earlier, and our citizens regaining hours that we once lost to congestion. Let us continue this work with genuine commitment to improving the everyday lives of every single Filipino. Panahon na upang matudukan ang dekadang paghihirap ng ating mga commuter. Hangad natin ang ligtas, mabilis at komportableng biyahe dahil ang oras ng bawat Pilipino ay mahalaga at bawat minutong matitipid ay oras na maigugugol ninyo kasama ang inyong mga pamilya.